Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. It's weird because last time I was on this road, we seen the Cybertruck. And he just spawned out of nowhere, which is weird. Like, he might actually be a ghost from GTA or... Yeah, we'd be the ghost from GTA. God don't step down with that junk weird. It's always right here, though. That jack is so tough. It's another guy.
Is this nigga serious?
That jack is so tough. My brother said that. And he might be an NPC.
Welcome to the team. Hey, thanks for the roads. I'll make sure I give those to Peter. Oh, we're taking a break, are we? I won't mind that.
He's not even looking. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy SRTA Cam. Back again with another video. Hey, as you can see, bro, it's raining right now. I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera. I'm pretty sure y'all can see it right there. But it's going to be a raining POV. Here, let me roll it up just a little bit. Cause I don't want no police officer. You feel me?
Get out the car, spread your butt cheeks, and put your teeth on the curb.
But yeah, I ain't gonna do nothing too crazy just because yesterday when I came over here, somebody did spin out and I'm like, freak no. And yesterday I was getting a little sideways, so you feel me? I ain't doing none of that. But make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that. Y'all already know the routine, you feel me? And yeah, you bro, you already know what's going on. Really, you gonna get on your brakes all the way out here? Swear they not real. I made sure to get some gas over here too. Freaking G-Time.
Holy Jesus.
Ooh. You jump be snapping. I'm gonna give y'all a pull right here. Ooh, that just be gone, right? Ooh, wait. Oh, boy. Should turn right here, but nah, I'm gonna just keep straight down here. Dang, I told y'all it was raining. I'm going to roll this up. Ooh, make sure ain't no police behind me. Ooh, wait. No, that's not one. Thought it was. No way he finna. Eee, that way just cut out in between that jump. He's had it when I was younger. But bro, who is they honking at?
Oh, no, the fuck he did it! No, the fuck he did it!
Ooh, let me chill. I told you I won't be catching no grip. We were just sliding like crazy just then. Freak no. I'm gonna chill out though. I'm gonna turn. Can we keep straight right here? Let's turn right. Ooh, the Burbs is real. Oh my God. I'm sorry, twin. Back up. That's what I'm saying. Like, bro, you see me squeezing out, bro? Squeezing back in, bro. People is not real. That jump be snapping though. Ooh, that did not sound good. Good, man. But yeah, that's probably gonna be the end of this video. Sorry I couldn't get y'all, bro. Broke got alert.
Nigga alert. Broke nigga alert.
Is it talking about me?
Broke nigga
think
alert.
so.
Low tire pressure sensor thing, whatever. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm sorry I couldn't get y'all the best of the best, bro. I'm trying to get y'all a little cut up. You feel me? But since it's raining, I can't do nothing too crazy. But yeah, watch my last video if you haven't. Comment down below what y'all want to see me do to this car. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, SRTA-Cam on Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. And yeah.
Running, draw down. Nigga, everybody get down. Pussy that nigga don't get loud.